Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to learn how to change your MAF sensor or your mass airflow sensor. I'm going to make it quick, simple, easy, and I'll provide everything you need. So without further ado, let's get to it. Alright, so the question to be asked is, where is the MAF sensor? Well, if you have the 2.0 engines, here you have your airbox, and as you can see, it juts out to the right. This connection right here is where your MAF sensor is. Now, if you have the 2.4 engine, your airbox is a little different. Yours is actually reversed. So instead of jutting out this way, yours juts out this way, but it's in the same exact position on this inside portion, just like the 2.0, and it'll be located right there. Alright, so here we have our MAF sensor. Now, to disconnect the sensor from its connector, there's a little tab on the bottom that you'll just depress and then pull straight out. And then you can set that to the side somewhere. Now, as you can see, we have two screws here. Now, these are Phillips screws, number 2s. Once these are both disconnected, you can simply take it and you can lift it up. Once those two Phillips are gone, you can just take it and lift it up straight out like that. And whenever it comes to installing it, it's super easy. It's just the reversed order. Just take your MAF sensor, insert it, and then tighten it down. And then once you're done with that, you'll take your connector, reconnect it, and then you're done. That's how you change your MAF sensor. Alright, so here we have our two different connectors. We have the old one and our new one. Now, I wanted to show you all the differences. Now, of course, there's going to be some cosmetic wear. Of course, you know, this one's going to be a little bit more aged, and this one's more shiny, of course. But what I mainly want to show y'all is the internals on these. So, as you can see here, you can see it just from here that the right one's a lot shinier than the left one. So if we zoom in on the right one, you can see the internals and the elements. They're very clean. And then you go to your older one, and you can see the elements are very, very dirty. Now, of course, you can just get some MAF cleaner and clean them out. But depending on the MAF sensor and the element, there's a coating that it's wrapped in, and it can have dirt or sediments buried within the element that even if you clean it or spray it off, it's still going to be hindered, and if anything, it could go out sooner now that you've cleaned it. So I have a video in my channel under educational, and I think it's the 6-minute mark that there's this gentleman that teaches about this, and he shows a hyper zoomed microscopic view of the element of what it looks like before and after cleaning with MAF cleaner. So definitely give that a check out, and that's how that's our MAF sensor. Alright, thanks for checking out the video. I hope it was some help to y'all. I want to remind y'all to check out my Google Drive. I got a lot of information on there regarding the Kappas, ranging from the Solstice to the Skies and the Opel GTs. I got TSBs, diagrams, part numbers, catalogs, a lot of good stuff on there. So don't forget to check that out. I'll see y'all next time, and until then, y'all take care.